Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I stopped at a Dollar General. I'm going to show you guys some of the hidden items that they have there that you can sell for big profits, so stay tuned.
Alright, so here we are at Dollar General. Down the first aisle here is their clearance aisle that they don't hide from you. There's a couple Lego sets that were pretty overpriced, honestly, especially for a clearance aisle. So I went ahead and passed on those. I'm looking at some B6 vitamins here for $3.75. Went ahead and scanned them. They weren't worth it. So didn't find anything else in this clearance aisle. So I headed over to the toy aisle. Now in this aisle, I'm looking for Pokemon stuff, any clearance toys that are name brand. There's some Dollar Hot Wheels there, but they have those at Dollar Tree and they're never really worth it in my experience. So just kind of looking it over, really not seeing anything. Like I said, they don't have the best selection at Dollar General when it comes to toys. They're honestly pretty overpriced. So I did look pretty hard though in this section, because sometimes you'll find some good stuff here, and but not this time. There's just a lot of puzzles, and honestly, in my experience, puzzles don't sell very well at all. So moving on, we are looking at the candles. Looking for like Yankee candles, Bath and Body Works, stuff like that. Just really name brand candles. I scanned these $5 candles to see if they were worth it, but they were not. And here's what I'm talking about, the hidden selection that they hide some of their good stuff at the bottom. If you look at the bottom of these racks, there's oftentimes a lot of good deals. These Glade air fresheners were $1, so I went ahead and scanned every single one. As you can see here, and the ones that I found were worth it were, I'll put them up on the screen right here: Lemon Fresh, Exotic Tropical Blossoms, Hawaiian Breeze, Elegant Amber and Ode, Blooming Peony, and Cherry. So I went ahead and took all of those, and you'll see that on the screen right here. And for the last find I picked up today was these Ajax. They were also $1, so always keep an eye out for these Ajax. What are they exactly? Ajax multi-purpose cleaners. So I paid $1 for those. Here's my receipt, and I only paid $43.
As always guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you want to support the channel, leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.